to get baking. Come along now, kittens. Time for a morning treat. Good morning. Yeah. Hello there, Chef. I love you both so much. I love you, Mama Mimi. We love you. Ta-da-da! Ready to bake? Can I have it? Please, please. Just a little higher. Almost got it. Here you go, little chef. Here's the last apron, Luna. Oh, thank you so much, Mimi. Meow? Whoa. What? Meow. Oh, no. I did it. Yeah. Hold still, Leo. Let me fix that for you. Okay. There, all better now. Ready to bake? Yay, ready to bake. Time to bake some cookies. Time to cook. Whoa. Help! Help!
You look a little silly, Leo.
Whoa, this hat is harder than it looks.
Just need a little adjustment. There you go.
Thanks, Luna. Let's start baking now. All right, everyone, let's begin the lesson. Time to bake something delicious with this fresh flour. Oh my, look at that! Flour. Ooh, yes! I have the bowl. Now we can begin. I'm ready to cook. Gently like this? Like this? Yes, that's right. Keep practicing. Meow, meow. Time to bake, Luna. Thank you, Mama Mimi. Ta-da! It's open! Time to make a masterpiece. Ah, perfect! Looks delicious! All right, here goes nothing again. Got it! Yes! Success! All right, time to make some breakfast. Here goes nothing. Oops, maybe I hit it a little too hard. Sorry, bowl. Oops.
It's all right, little baker. Let's clean you up.
Time to clean that paw, little rascal. Oh, thanks, Mama Mimi. Time to make some cookies. Here we go. Stir, stir, stir. Faster, faster.
Leo, slow down, little one.
Okay, Mama Mimi.
That's better. Take a nice deep breath.
Right. Luna, come on. Are you ready?
Almost, Leo. Just a moment.
We need to get started. Patience, my friend. Here's a special task for you, Leo. Ooh, yay! I'll take good care of it, Mama Mimi.
Almost there.
Oops. Time to get this bowl perfectly clean. we'll share. Time to make some dough. Perfectly floured. Time to get these paws floured up. Perfect! Ready to bake. I made a fluffy cloud. Meow!
All right, little bakers. One for Leo and one for Luna.
Thanks, Mama Mimi.
Thank you.
Hiya! Take that! And that! I think it's ready now.
Oh no, the dough won't let go. What do I do now?
Woohoo! Take that, dough! Mission accomplished! Meow!
This dough is perfect. Boing. Oh my. Giggles silently.
Mama Mimi! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Luna, what's wrong?
Oops! Oh no! Sorry, Mama Mimi. It's okay, Leo. Let's clean it up. Oh, I got some on my nose. Oops. Okay, back to work.
Ah, that's better. Finally done. Time for a little more flour, sweetie. Thanks, Mama Mimi. That's just right.
Ta-da! It's perfectly kneaded. That's not right. Maybe if I poke it a little? Oh dear. Well, here goes nothing.
All right, let's smooth it out together.
Wow, it's working! Time to make some delicious pastries. Just right! Yes, perfect! Oops! Oh dear, sorry about that.
All right, let's make some wonderful cookies. Who cookies?
Time to make some treats. These are perfect. Let's get baking. Time to get baking. Oh, so many fishy cookies. Just a few more. Perfect. Oh no! Look at that! Whoa, they're all stuck together. What am I gonna do?
All right, Leo, let's get these shapes separated. Just a little twist.
Wow, you did it, Mama Mimi.
Now, which fishy will you make first? Time to make some magic happen.
Whee! Oh.
You're such a rascal, Leo.
Couldn't help it, Luna. Did you like it?
Very much so.
Leo, not yet. We need to add the filling first. But Mama Mimi, I'm ready to bake now.
Patience, little one. First, the filling, then we bake.
Nicely done, everyone. Let's make more. They're perfect.
Time for fishy treats. Let's
Let's make a big pile of them.
Look at these, aren't they just perfect? The best cookies you'll ever taste. For sparkles! Look at my colorful cookies! Yum! Ta-da! It's sprinkle explosion time!
Oops. Sorry about that. What a cozy morning. Achoo!
Oh, Leo, your face! Look at him, he's covered. Look what I've made. Now watch this.
Whoa! That's a lot of flour.
Whew.
All done. Messy but fun. All right, my little baker. Just a little smudge there. Oh, thanks, Mama Mimi.
Perfect. We are ready. Almost there. Whew, that's heavy.
Got it.
Morning, everyone. Mama Mimi leads the way.
Here we come. Yes, let's go. Time to check.
Woohoo, it's ready.
I hope it turned out well.
Open sesame. Oh, I better not touch it.
Oh,
But I can look. Look what I did. Yay! Leo, step back.
well,
But Mama Mimi, I want to help. No, it's too hot. Stay safe. Leo, no. Stay here. Okay, Luna. Sorry. Hey, Domino-sang. Hey, Ninin. Huh? Wait, what's that over there? Oh my goodness! Leo, what have you done?
hi, Luna.
No, look at the mess. We have to clean this.
Oh, whoops.
Did you hear that? What was that? It came from the cabinet.
Oh, my.
What's that? It's shaking. What's inside here?
Hey,
Are you in there? Not yet, Leo.
no. But Mama Mimi, I'm ready.
Patience, my little chef.
Look. What's that?
It's so beautiful.
Oh, my. Oh, what is that?
It's beautiful. What's in here? Curiouser and curiouser. Do you hear that? Look at the light! It's so beautiful. Oh, kittens, look at this. It's beautiful.
Meow, 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 meow.
Wow, this is amazing. It's snowing flour. pure magic.
Do you hear that? What is that light?
It's so bright. What's inside?
Do you see it? Is it done? It's perfect! Oh my! What is that? Oh my goodness! What is that? It's so bright! Mama Mimi, the oven timer should be going off any second.